Boris Johnson, no early relaxation of COVID-19 restrictions in UK. UK has reported another 14,876 coronavirus cases in the latest 24-hour period, bringing the total number of coronavirus cases in the country to 4,732,434. Johnson has announced a 4-week delay to the final step of England's roadmap out of COVID-19 restrictions until July 19. More than 44.3 million people in Britain have received the first jab of COVID-19 vaccine. There will be no early relaxation of the remaining coronavirus restraints in UK before the planned date of July 19, Prime Minister Boris Johnson said today. British PM's remarks came after a good conversation with new UK Health Secretary Sajid Javid on Sunday. Although there are some encouraging signs and the number of deaths remains low and the number of hospitalizations remains low, though both are going up a bit, we are seeing an increase in cases, Johnson said during a campaign visit to Batley in northern England. So we think it's sensible to stick to our plan to have a cautious but irreversible approach. Use the next 3 weeks or so really to complete as much as we can of that vaccine rollout. Another 5 million jabs we can get into people's arms by July 19, he said. And then with every day that goes by it's clearer to me and all our scientific advisors that we're very likely to be in a position on July 19 to say that really is the terminus and we can go back to life as it was before COVID as far as possible. Javid said he wanted to see the end of restrictions as soon as possible, but any easing would be irreversible. Britain has reported another 14,876 coronavirus cases in the latest 24-hour period, bringing the total number of coronavirus cases in the country to 4,732,434, according to official figures released Sunday. The country also recorded another 11 coronavirus-related deaths, bringing the total number of coronavirus-related deaths in Britain to 128,100. These figures only include the deaths of people who died within 28 days of their first positive test. Johnson has announced a 4-week delay to the final step of England's roadmap out of COVID-19 restrictions until July 19, amid a surge in cases of the Delta variant first identified in India. More than 44.3 million people in Britain have received the first jab of COVID-19 vaccine and more than 32.4 million people have received 2 doses, the latest figures also showed.